You're welcome to Remit Trade, guys. You look at this very area of resistance. Market is finding it very difficult to move to the downside, as I was expecting. In my last video, I talked about market coming back down to $29,000. I was expecting a good retracement into $29,000, not to this level of $29,800. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, you see from this area, market go up and come back down, creating another new low at this very point, and market is right to the upside. So what are we expecting on the chart? Because right now, the market is kind of difficult to come back to the downside, and this is a very strong resistance which market is supposed to react to the downside. And on ETH, we are also seeing the market going down very well compared to what we're seeing on BTC at this very area, and also on the 4-hour chart, and Matic has dropped significantly. All of this and more into this analysis. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like, and don't forget to share this video on the 1-day chart. If you look at here, and if you watch my immediate last video, breakout soon to the upside, you see the market is not going to the downside as I analyzed in my immediate last video on the channel. I was expecting this market to come down to this level of $29,000 before the next move to the upside, but what we're seeing right now, the market come down a little bit into $29,800, and then a sharp move to the upside we're seeing right now. So I am paying attention to two things. I told you the exact level you should pay attention to, which is this very area of important resistance on the chart. If you see a breakout of this very level of resistance, and that very candle have to be very significant. Significant in the sense that it must close above every other close within this area. Once you see a bullish candle that close significantly like this, then the market is going to move to the upside. The reason because right now we are seeing a very strong bullish move on the 1-week chart, and the 1-week chart controls the 1-day chart, while the 1-day chart have superiority over the 4-hour chart. This is from top-down analysis perspective trading. So expect the market to break out. If you don't see a breakout, please don't take a buy position. You must have to see that breakout before you take that buy position in the market. And on the 4-hour chart BTC, you see from this very area, something is very important on this chart that I want to show you. So the market from here come back to this very point, and market move up, could not create a new high compared to what we see right here. So we see a high right here, and then this now turn a lower high, and this is a higher high compared to market moving to the upside. And then from here we see that the market begin to drop right down. Market drop down to create a new low compared to what we see right at this very point. So what that means is market is creating lower lows and lower highs at this very point. So one thing very important you need to pay attention to for you to verify that the market is going to move to the upside is for this very line to create a new high again. It's a simple market structural analysis. Once you get that, a new high, the previous high, especially this very one and this one, then we can see the market can come back down a little bit to retrace before the next move into the market. And the next move, like this very impulsive move, must be higher than this very impulse. Once you get that done, then the market have a very high chance to continue to the upside to about $35 to $40K on the BTC 4-hour chart. So this is what I'm expecting right now on the chart. So expect the market to move a little bit. If we see a new high, then that means market is going to correct and then continuation to the upside. Right now, look for short opportunity until you see a new high. I repeat again, right now look for short opportunity until you see a new high above this very high and this very high right here on the chart. And this is 4-hour chart. And on the ETH 1-day chart right here, see this very area of resistance at this very point. The market is very difficult to move to the upside. And if you look at the MACD is reducing the momentum to the downside. From this very area, you see a decline in the MACD strength, and this histogram at this very area, that means that they use are not very strong in the market, and there is a strong battle between the bulls and the bears. And I said you should expect the market breaking on this very level of important resistance, and that very breakout has to be very significant. And what you should expect is a bullish candle that close above every other close within this zone of resistance. Once you see that bullish candle, then that main market is going to move to the upside. Else, look for short opportunity to the downside, because reduced momentum approaching the zero line on the MACD is an indication that the bears are very much in the market and they are going to move the market to the downside. Don't go and long the market right now without this breakout on the higher time frame. Remember, the higher time frame controls what we see on the lower time frame. And on ETH 4-hour chart, if you look at it again, you see that there is a decline in the market movement. Say from here, market close at this very point. You see this new close, you see this very close, and then this, and then market drop right down. From here, we see a low and a new low at this very point, and another new low at this very area. This is an indication that market is just retracing and that it will soon come back down again. So on the 4-hour chart ETH, it will be wise for you to look for short opportunity. That is why if you look at this market retrace a little bit and then breakout, I talked to you about a breakout on this chart, and I said if you see a breakout of this very line of support, then that means market is going to go down. You see this breakout, market breaks out at this very point, retrace to the upside, and then continue back down. This is an indication that if you know how the market structure operates, then you can possibly enter at the right time. Even though you don't enter at the right time, you will always be at the right direction of the market. So as it been after this retracement, and you take a short position because the market creates a new low, and the next move you're expecting should be a retracement before continuation to the downside, in line with what you see right here on the 1-day chart. Because on the 1-day chart, as at that time, market supposed to come back down because of a heavy resistance at this very point. So this is what you need to pay attention to, guys. I am expecting this market to retrace to this level of resistance, which was support here, support at this point, before the market is going to come down again. Before you take a long position, you must see something that looks like a failed swing in this formation. That is, market failed to create a new low or a breakout. These are two important signs of market moving to the upside. Either the market makes a failed swing or the market creates a new high above the previous high. Okay, this is a sign that the market is going to move to the upside. But for now, on the 4-hour chart ETH, look for short position to the downside from this very region right here. And on Matic, I tell you that the market is going to come into this level before the next move to the upside. But what we see here is a breakout. Market breaks out of this very level of important support and begin to move to the downside. See this movement right down, market creates a new low. See, there's a low here, and then we have a low at this point, then another low at this very area. What do you think is going to happen in the market? Is just nothing but a continuation to the downside. So market have to retrace a little bit to this very area. Remember, this is a resistance right now, which was support at this very point and also support at this very area. What I am expecting on Matic is a continuation back to the downside to create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. And if we fail to see a new low, that means if the market comes down and fail to create a new low more than what we see here and begin to move to the upside, that is an indication that the market is about to move up again from simple market structure analysis. This is what I am expecting right now. On the immediate short time, expect Matic to come back down. And what do you think about Bitcoin? Do you think this very market is going to break out? Because this is also what you need to pay attention to. Like I've said in this video, markets should move to the upside and break out and continue its movement to $35,000 and $40,000. Comment below in the comment section. Or do you think the market is going to retrace back down? This is just a fake move. Do you believe this is just a fake move? Please comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. See contact, reach out to me immediately and get a comprehensive price action training. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.